Imagine yourself in this Ford 2022 F-150. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are turbocharged, 4-wheel drive, tow hitch, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, aluminum wheels and tires, front all-terrain. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.